Sell lemons. Okay, so basically you get a lemon stand. And if I click, I get $2. Yeah, and then I can upgrade it. And I can buy more, like another lemon stand. Yeah. And then people come here and get things. And this is actually has been blowing up kinda lately. And today we're trying to not spend any Robux. We're making great progress. Okay. It looks like what is this? Floor. Walls. I cannot buy these gray ones currently. I need to find like a red one. God say that's kinda stupid. He's making us bread. He's cooking that dough. Now, why can't I buy anything? Seriously? Was it here the whole time? Why am I this blind? This is illegal. How blind I am. Okay. So we are getting a car, I guess. I don't know what we need a car for, but okay. I'll play the game. Lemon stand, the genius. I think I'm getting a little too much money. Why do we even use bikes? To I don't even know. Why do we use bikes? I can't afford this. It's 11 million and I only have 15 million. Too bad. Yeah, tell everyone about this. Tell every single one in the world. Why are we with a literal garage? This is stupid. Love this job. Okay, good. Because you love this job, I'm gonna pay you less. Isn't that fun? Why does everything cost this much? I don't have the money for this. Since when was this here? Currently, since always. This cost billions? Why do I have so many? This is cheaper at least. So. Some millions for a stupid life. My breath is stacking. And bop. There we go. We got cars of lemons. That is just too OP. I can almost buy this. And if you don't talk smaller, I'm gonna give you $1 a day. Lemon stand genius. Thanks, I guess. Did this bike just move? What? Why did the bike disappear? You know what? I'm gonna waste my money on this. Wait. This is so OP. Oh, why can I not spend Robux? It's the worst challenge ever. At least, if you want part 2, subscribe. Bye.